Thanks for joining. Today we're going to be restoring old lanterns and turning them into infinity candles. These infinity candles can be used either as decorative things that you keep in your home on a coffee table or a mantle, which display a mirrored effect, as you can see here. And when you put a candle in it at night, you get the infinity candle effect, which you can see here. Okay, so today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the step-by-step instructions to be able to build this infinity candle yourself. You're going to need a tape measure, you're going to need a pair of scissors, you're going to need some Scotch tape, you're going to need some privacy film. This is the tinted film that's actually going to create the mirrored effect. And then you need some sort of, it's a window film application. Usually you can buy it directly with the film itself. Sometimes it will come with it. Okay, so, but before we get started, I'd ask you, if you're interested in these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button and stay towards the end of the video, because at the end of the video I'm going to show you kind of the science behind how these infinity candles actually work. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. Now that we have all the things that we need to complete this project, the first step that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to measure this, the glass that we have in our lantern. Now let's briefly discuss the science of how this infinity candle effect works. I put up a simple drawing I created to describe this effect. When there are two mirrors and a light source is placed between them, the light will continue to bounce between them in an infinite number of times. Since some of the light is escaping through the privacy film we use, the next bounce back will look a little bit dimmer. The reason they look set back a few inches, each of the candles, is because the light has to travel the distance from each mirror back and forth until it hits your eyes.
And so that creates the illusion that there are candles set back a few inches from one another, and that creates the infinity candle effect. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you do, please leave a like or a comment below, and stay tuned for the next video.